Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we probably again will take a look at the euro currency because actually I did not see something really special across the board on the major currencies, so maybe it makes sense to continue talking on the euro currency. Besides, today we will get the European Central Bank statement. This probably will be the major driving factor for today's session, and the major question that it will stand around will be the continuation of the European Central Bank easing program, so whether they will continue to purchase more bonds on the open market and to bring more liquidity in the financial system, or they right now maybe see some improvement in the overall situation and inflation, consumption, and so on, and maybe they will not continue and they will not increase the amount of the bond purchasing and after this program will finish in the beginning of the 2017. So this is the major question. So if Draghi will say that they will continue and they will maybe increase this program, then euro currency should drop, and maybe the retracement that we're expecting to get probably will not happen, or at least market will show significant drop and even could take it out of these lows, and retracement will happen somewhere from another level. But if Draghi will give the hint on the possible finish of the quantitative easing program, and that they will not intend to continue this program and something of that sort, and that they see some improvement and so on, in this case euro currency could show the upward direction, and the strength of the upward direction will depend on the colors, the hawkishness of the comments from the Draghi. So if this will be really hawkish comments, then the upward direction could become strong. If this will be some bit so maybe we will stop the program, but right now we're still keep it for some time and something of that sort. This probably reaction could be limited. Taking into consideration the technical subject, the picture that we see here and that we have discussed in the recent week, it seems that Draghi should give some hint on at least some contraction of this program. So something moderately bullish comments should follow, because as you can see, market is preparing a slowing downward action and is preparing for some upward bounce. And this technical situation suggests something of that sort, that Draghi probably could say some more positive to the euro currency that could trigger this upward action, at least on the patterns that we see right now on the charts, based on the technical analysis that we see. But this is just a suggestion, guys, based on the picture that we see. So on the daily chart, we continue to watch for hitting of the 1618 target. Probably volatility will increase slightly later in the session, so that's why this probably target should be hit. That's the major object that we see here. At the same time, we do not expect, as we said yesterday, deep retracement, because market is not at the oversold right now, and it's not at its support. So no support stands right here. So next important level stands at 109, and I think that market should challenge it sooner rather than later. So that's our suggestion. That's why if bounce will happen, it should not be too significant, and we think that the reaction right to the weekly pivot point will be quite enough to show the respect to this ABCD 1618 target. That's our view currently on the situation that we see on the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, again, the patterns that we talked about yesterday that could trigger and could become the starting point of this possible retracement, there are two of them. First one is that we have started the free drive, the first drive, second, now the third drive is forming, but market hasn't quite reached yet the targets, as the free drive is this butterfly. So we know that the second pattern, by the way, guys, is the butterfly. As we know, the butterflies very often become the part of the free drive. Sometimes the first drive also take the shape of the butterfly. It could become the two side-by-side butterflies. sometimes free drive looks as two side-by-side butterflies. But right now we have the only the butterfly at the final stage of the free drive pattern. As you can see, the second drive, this is the left wing, the third drive should become the right wing. Stands 1618 extension here. So with this completion of the butterfly, market also should complete this ABCD on the daily chart. Yesterday, guys, we discussed these grabbers, and you can see that our suggestion mostly was correct, since we said that this pattern stands a bit contradictory to the picture that we see right now on the daily chart. And daily chart is stronger and more important, more valuable compared to the intraday charts. That's why the untouched target that stands slightly below the market will dominate and will press and overrule these grabbers that have been formed yesterday, and that has happened. So you can see market has made some attempt to continue move higher, but then drop and erase both of the both of the grabbers. Right now, as you can see, even minor bearish grabbers have been formed, but market already has reached its targets this low. So this very short-term patterns have been formed. So right now, before the European Central Bank meeting will start, we expect to see a reaching of this target. Maybe on the volatility, when the comments will start, market will touch these targets. After that, based on the technical picture that we see right now, probably, as was suggested, the comments from the Draghi should be a bit slightly bullish for the euro currency. So they probably could say that they maybe will continue a bit this program, but they will stand in the lower values than it was planned before, something of that sort. So comments should be moderately bullish, not very strong, strongly bullish for the euro currency. That should trigger the upward bounce here. At least what we see right now in the technical picture. We do not know whether this will happen or not. Maybe market will collapse. This also could happen. But currently we see the bullish patterns, and we're just trying to combine the fundamental events that could happen with the technical picture that we have, and this brings us the solution that probably some moderately hawkish comments could follow. That stands at least in a row with the patterns that we see. And that could trigger this upward retracement on the euro currency. So you can see right now we see the weekly pivot point stands in agreement with the first fib level, approximately 110.50 area. That is destination of the retracement. Also, guys, this target is matching to free drive target, because we know that the minimum target of the free drive is the top between the second drive and the third, and this stands right here. So it means that to complete the target of the free drive, market should move above it, and reaching of this area stands in a row with the target of the free drive pattern. So as you can see, picture is not really bad right now in euro currency. On the hourly chart, guys, did not see something really special. So it's a trend line. This minor butterfly is also forming. And take a look, this minor butterfly also has the target 1618 is approximately as the stands larger one target. So slightly higher than this market, slightly lower than this market stands. So again, it's around 109.30, 109.35. So nothing really special. So maybe you could also recognize some kind of the wedge pattern is forming here. It's also short-term bullish reversal pattern. So that's just brings some add-on to the picture that we see on the 4-hour time frame chart, because this is major picture that combines all necessary information that we need. So guys, that's all. Here's what we see right now. Let's see what we will get on the European Central Bank meeting. Something on the like sort, something on that sort. So first we would like to see the reaching of the target, the completion of the daily target. And after that, if Draghi comments will correspond to the patterns that we have here, or better to say, if our patterns correctly forecast the Draghi statement, well, in this case, upward retracement should start, and we would like to see market around 110.50 area.